Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable nodes in the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're working with complex node trees and want to temporarily bypass certain effects without deleting them. It allows you to quickly test different versions of your composition and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once the program has loaded and you're viewing your project, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find several tabs representing different pages within DaVinci Resolve. Click on Fusion. This will switch your workspace to the Fusion page, which is where all your node-based compositing and visual effects work happens. You'll now see your node editor displayed prominently in the interface. Now, let's talk about disabling a single node. The process here is remarkably straightforward. Simply click on any node that you want to disable within your node tree. Once you've selected it, press Ctrl-P on your keyboard. You'll immediately notice that the node becomes disabled, which means DaVinci Resolve will bypass that particular effect or operation in your composition. This is perfect for troubleshooting or comparing your work with and without specific effects applied. To enable the node again, just press Ctrl-P once more on your keyboard. The node will reactivate and your effect will be back in action. This toggle functionality makes it incredibly efficient to switch nodes on and off during your editing process. Here's where things get even more powerful. You can actually select multiple nodes at once and disable or enable them all together. To do this, click and drag your mouse across the node editor to create a selection box around the nodes you want to affect. As you drag, you'll see the selection area expand, capturing all the nodes within that region. Once you've selected all the nodes you need, simply press Ctrl-P on your keyboard. All selected nodes will disable simultaneously. And just like with a single node, pressing Ctrl-P again will enable them all back at once. This batch control is extremely handy when you're working with complex node structures and need to bypass entire sections of your composition quickly. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently enable and disable nodes in DaVinci Resolve's Fusion page, giving you greater control over your compositing workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.